It's the second half of my Embarkation Day experience, and today I boarded the MSC Seashore for my first MSC Yacht Club experience. And so far, it's been a great experience. From the escorted boarding experience to the dedicated butler service, the room perks and amenities, private spacious topsail lounge and pool deck, special theater seating, and more. Now, if you missed all of that, there's a link in the description box below to check it out. But for now, I just finished up dinner at the MSC Yacht Club restaurant.
All right, so I enjoyed dinner. Now, was it on the caliber of Explorer journeys? No. But was it better than usually the traditional cruise line, like the main dining room? Yes. So it was worth it. It was delicious. I enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to going again and trying other things off the menu. But so for now, I just remembered, now there's the solo meetup is at 8:15, so I'm going to pop in just to see what's what. I saw that we had free play, I think, so I'm about to go down to the casino before that. It is now 7:48, so maybe spend a few dollars in there because, just because we're in the yacht club doesn't mean we won't try to get a free cruise. Now, before I go, here's a couple of things I want to explain. Now, my butler came and gave me, she sat me down and gave me a little talking to. So she did tell me, now you do have snacks, but these are one time only. But she kind of, told me, hey, if I wanted some more, just give her the word. But also all of the drinks, these are, replaceable or refillable. So, she brought me some half and half for my coffee. So you can have what you want and, get that refilled. There's also, I saw a menu here. You can select one item, one spirit or one bottle of wine off of this menu. I selected Jack Daniel whiskey only because I've never had, I think I've tasted it before, but I've never had a bottle of whiskey like ever in life. So I said, well, hey, you're here at the yacht club, it's free, why not just try it? I don't know. So I did get that, and you do have your breakfast that you can order. I didn't see a lot of things on the menu, that I really, there's like hot beverages and yogurt preserves. There's breakfast muffin and sides and pastry. So I even like a simple, I'm sure I can probably get it like simple bacon and eggs or something, but I didn't see that on the menu. I'll likely go out in the morning anyway, just to experience breakfast on the ship. And there is also a digital program that you can scan onto your phone. Now, this is different than the app. That's what the butler told me. It's different than the app, and it has Yacht Club events on it. So I scanned it, but now I got to go back and check it out. All right, now let's go win a free cruise.
Hey, are you enjoying this content so far? If you are, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe to the channel so that I'll know to create more content like this. I ventured out of the yacht club to stroll the ship for just a bit. Now, no matter how you're sailing MSC, they have some of the most stunning and elegant ships. Now, I did stop by the Brooklyn Cafe for the solo meetup, and although it was hosted, only one other man showed up, and he left to go hang out with his friends. That's the first time I've ever come across an empty hosted solo meetup. Now it was time for the theater show, and after meeting up in the Yacht Club concierge lobby, we were escorted to the MSC Yacht Club seating area in the main theater. Now here's where I can see where the MSC Yacht Club may be great to include in a premium and luxury cruise rotation.
Your host, your cruise director, Neil Dixon.
You still get a taste of that high energy cruise ship fun. Explorer Journeys entertainment is a little bit more subdued, so you won't see a hyped up experience like this. So this makes for a great alternative where you can get a taste of both worlds. Now, I did love having this type of energetic performance after dinner, but I will say that outside of Explore Journey's playlist performers, the other performances were unique, eclectic, and very engaging.
Back from the show. Now the show was decent, definitely a bump up from Explore Journeys. I'm like, if Explore Journeys even had something to that level, that would actually be a lot better. So after the show, I said, well, let me just go to my room and go to sleep, so I'm heading to the elevators to come up to my room, and there was a couple that, they were passing by, and I remember them from, when we were gathering together to go to the show. They were there too, and they were like, come on, come with us to the bar. So I went. And it was pretty cool. I mean, we just sat, and the MSC Yacht Club, the lounge, apparently always has like little hors d'oeuvres and desserts there that you can pick up all the time, throughout the day. So just little, just like little tiny samplings, which was actually good. So I went there with them and just grabbed a drink, and I mean, we just chatted about anything. Where are you from? And have you sailed MSC before? I mean, it's just like the same, conversation that you have as when you're talking to other cruisers. It's like always about where are you from and what ships have you sailed? Have you sailed this ship before? It's the same conversation. But it's actually cool and good conversation, especially, like if you're an introvert. I mean, that's all you have to do. Talk about where you're from. Talk about the cruise ships. But anyway, so I am calling it a night, but before I do, I just got back to my room, and let me show you what I have. So I have never had this before. So I asked for Jack Daniels. I don't even know what to do with it. And then this looks like gummies or something. So yeah, this reminds me of like the little treats that they left in the room on Explore Journeys. All right, guys. Well, this has been a great day one. So far, it's like the Yacht Club area is like less people, and it feels like Explore Journeys people-wise because there's less people to contend with. And the service is great too. You still have that traditional, ship component where it's a little bit noisier. There's announcements, there's the singing in the restaurants, so it just depends. Does it bother me? No. I can do either or. I can do quiet, or I can do something like this. So it just depends on, what you want, what experience that you're looking for. So, but 2 more days to experience. So, I'll be able to give a full report, at the end of 3 days. But for now, I'm about to turn in. All right. Good night, y'all. Bye.
All right, it is Monday. So today we are in Nassau. Now I stayed in my room because I had to get some work done, but now I'm about to head out and go to the lounge to see what type of snacks they have. It's also lunchtime, so maybe I'll grab some lunch. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have lunch on the deck or in the lounge, or maybe just grab some little snacks because I'm really not hungry. Oh, and now everything's included. I don't have to buy specialty dining if I don't want to, but I love Hola Tacos. So yesterday I did buy an all-you-can-eat package for Hola Tacos. I have no idea when I'm going to go, but I'll be going sometime on this cruise. So I have to fit that in somewhere, somehow. But staying here in the Yacht Club, it's been very nice. Now, I did try let me show you. I did try the coffee machine this morning, and this is great. This coffee machine has really great coffee. They have little pods up here. That you can use. I'm gonna have to get a refill because I'm down to only 2. But yes, this little coffee machine makes great coffee.
And another thing, so I'm just now noticing down here on the table, my butler put an excursion ticket. So there was an excursion that came with this booking. So I don't know if this is, I have to find out if this is like a part of the Yacht Club booking or if this was like something extra that I booked under. So I'm not quite sure yet, but I'm not going to go. The meetup time is 12:45. And it's just a tour of Nassau. So you go to the different points, the Queen Stairs, the fish fry, and all of that. And I've done that several times, so I'm not gonna go. But yeah, so I need to find out if this is included or if this is something extra that I booked under. And I did get a taste of my treats here, but these things taste like pure sugar. I'm trying to chew it now. It tastes like pure sugar. And also a nice thing that I noticed last night, so I do have some medication and I put my medication over here, and the butler put a clean glass over here and a bottle of water just so I can take my medication in the morning or whenever I got up. I guess I'm like, okay, that is a nice touch. All right, so let's go grab some lunch from somewhere. All right, so I came up to the pool deck for lunch, and I'm having a cheeseburger and fries. Now, no, this is not a gluten-free bun, and I do not plan to eat the whole thing. I do want to taste it, though, because now this is going to be an experience because I have not eaten white bread. So that's the one thing that I'm most fearful of, and probably shouldn't be the best time to experiment. But I'm just gonna see if I can tolerate. The last time that I tried white bread, I was rolling on the floor sick and wishing that I would just die. So it was very painful, but we will see. So I am sitting out here again, just relaxing. Nobody out here but me. Again, yes, this is the Explore Journeys experience. But I came down, I was going to go to dinner, but I'm really not hungry. And I just want to relax, so I think I'm going to go to my room and order room service because that's something on any ship I hardly ever do. So I want to go ahead and look at the Yacht Club's room service menu and order something from there and just have dinner in my room. Even though it's an interior, I'm gonna go have dinner there. All right, so I did order room service, and I just ordered a Caesar salad, and my butler is she's so sweet. So we were talking, and I think she saw my gluten support because I have gluten support pills that I take, with meals, just in case. And I think she saw them. So she started talking about, food. And I did mention, hey, I used to, have a severe allergy. And so that opened it up for her to start, asking me questions about it and to make sure that I was okay. I said, yes, I'm okay. But in addition, this was a nice thing because she is so sweet. And here's what she did. So this is what I got for dinner. Just a little Caesar salad. That's all I wanted. The menu is not as extensive as the Yacht Club restaurant, but I didn't want to go back up and sit down for a meal. But she brought me these when I told her, yes, I'm getting over, I'm not as sensitive as I used to be, but they had some gluten-free, this is plum cake. So she brought me 2 of these, and she said actually she eats them too because they just taste good. So she brought those to me because, of my, gluten sensitivity. All right, so I'm about to eat dinner and I'm calling it a night. I do still need to play more in the casino, and I did want to, relax in the lounge a little bit more. But, I just feel like I just want to take it easy and relax here in my interior cabin. So this is it for me for tonight. Until tomorrow at Ocean Key.
Are you ready for your first or your next cruise and need assistance? Scan the QR code and let's work together to plan your customized cruise experience.